I hate this house. I hate this house. Water everywhere. And I wait for the workmen to come out now. Oh man.
We've had nothing but trouble since put that wet room in. Look at the corner as well. It's all coming through. And this all in the corner.
I'm sick of it. Absolutely sick of it.
Yeah, since we've done that wet room, that's all we've had.
I better turn the old thing up in all the electric, yeah.
Can you just do the lights or the whole lot?
No, I'll just turn the lights off. He's got to cut a big hole in the ceiling. Really decorated this kitchen as well a couple of years ago. Got to have an hole all the way in there to try and find it. Oh.
Yeah, look like it's slowed down now you've turned it off.
Yeah, no, it's turned it. No, it's turned
Do you
off.
reckon there's a hot? Do you reckon there's something on
I think there might be a hole that's come out
pipe?
for the connection from the plug. I don't know. Because it's sealed. You can't get in. Got to wait for the sparking now. To disconnect that light so we can use the other light. Oh. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I've just peed off now. I just said to that, I hope it doesn't spread across the beams into the living room, which we've just done. Oh, we're going mad.
Oh yeah, look, it's all the water that's been coming through all that time.
Yeah, it's soaking.
You need that as well.
Yeah,
absolutely drenched up there.
Drenched up there.
There as well. See what it means? That's why the radiator that is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's coming through.
through.
Well, it just find a point, don't it?
But what was that? If the radiators are there, was
look,
it
it was going across the. It goes across the beam. I say that to go in the living room.
Oh, for God's sake, not my living room.
Oh.
Every time we just try and
why
get
is it,
the house.
yeah, that's the point. Why has it travelled that way and not that?
That's what I'm saying to you. Why hasn't it travelled that way and it's travelling this way?
It's travelled that way.
That's what I said to you.
Yeah.
Why is that bit wet? Look, it's so wet all the way back. Look how far back it is.
Bloody thing.
Look.
I'm sick of it.
Look on your phone. Why has it gone that way?
I don't know. I can't see.
Look how wet it is, Keith. It's soaking.
Yeah, it's drenched.
It's drenched. It's literally been sitting there, hasn't it? And just keeps coming through and coming through.
So,
Oh.
we hate this house.
I hate this house. I hate it.
It's home, so we're not moving. They got to get things right. At least he was all right. He turned around and said he's not putting his magic silicone round. You know, that's why he's ripped all that to try and find the problem. They've got to actually rip all the wet room up, and they said there's not enough angle on it. It's going everywhere. It's getting worse and worse.
He says it's nearly coming out through to the lantern.
So we've just got to wait for the sparking now to come and disconnect the lights. We're going to
clean
all this up.
Clean all this up and wipe my table down and stuff.
Which he said he was going to do. I said, no, leave it, mate. We'll do it. It's better if we do it. We'll get the wet and dry back on it. So, guys.
Right.
Yeah. So, next few videos, you might see the kitchen looking a bit of a state. So, if you want to know why, there.
But it's real life.
But it's real life.
It's real life.
Yeah, our bloody real life in this house. Sick of it.
You know, people, if they'd have done it properly in the first place, wouldn't have this problem. Oh, right.
Right, anyway, let's get cleaned up.
Go.
Wow, what you got to say, Bob? Hmm? tell you guys, I went out and cut the garden this morning, the front and the back. Then I had my hair cut. And then I thought, right, into the shower. So I went in the shower, put the shower on. I come downstairs because I've got the hair shaver, stepped back upstairs. I spoke to Nat. Our Roxy looked up, looked in the kitchen, could do water, I walked in the kitchen. And there we go. You've seen the rest. God. Absolutely sick of it, honestly. Absolutely sick of it. Oh. I was downstairs for probably, what, 30 seconds? But never mind, eh? I was just hoping it wasn't going to come into the living room. Just had it in, look. Hello, Keith. There's my living room. Look, you ain't seen it, have you? What do you reckon, Bob? That's our Bob. That's my CCTV there. There's the living room. There's Nat's workbench for her stuff. She's doing some videos at the minute. That unit's going to go eventually. We're going to get another grey one. So, there we go, guys. Welcome to the life of the OFG. Water problems all the time. See you later.